Hey there everybody, Uncle Gary here, what's going on? And welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore some of the secrets to harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. And AI has advanced really rapidly and is poised to change our lives with applications like self-driving cars, AI assistants, and more. But how can you harness AI for your own goals and projects? Well, let's dive in. I have 5 secrets for you. The first secret number 1, is to understand what modern AI can and can't do. AI systems today are pretty, well, let's just say they're narrow in scope, and they're designed to perform specific or limited tasks like image recognition or translation or forecasting. They can't easily generalize their knowledge to new domains. So the key is to find a useful but focused application of AI that tackles a specific problem you need solved. Secret number 2. The second secret is that you don't need to be an AI expert to harness AI. There are many easy-to-use frameworks and services that allow you to implement AI without deep AI knowledge. For example, you can use online services to add image recognition or language translation to your apps or projects without AI expertise. All you need is to learn the website of the AI platform well enough to use the AI services in your projects. Secret number 3. The third secret is to lean into and play with existing available AI platforms. Roll up your sleeves and get into it while everyone is still unsure and confused about what it can do. This is your chance to get ahead of the pack. Nobody really knows where AI is going or what it's going to do yet. So if you get going now, you guarantee yourself the ability to see how things are changing and to learn little increments about what's being advanced. If you don't learn now, you're guaranteeing you're going to be behind the pack when everything is stabilized and operating in a million different companies. Secrets 4 and 5 are 2 specific and amazing AI tools. They've actually been around for a little while already, and they're namely Jasper.ai and Beautiful.ai. Now, Jasper.ai is a writing, blogging, and kind of a content marketing AI app. With Jasper, you can cut your content writing time by 2/3 or more. It helps you beat writer's block if you get stuck. It can change up your writing style if you want to, change the way you occur in written words. And it's dependable for saving money by allowing you to forego having to hire, expensive writers. It is a few dollars a month, and they still offer you about, I think it's 10,000 words for free, so you can try it out for yourself. And then there's Beautiful.ai. Now, Beautiful.ai creates beautiful presentations for you 10 times faster. It literally creates stunning, professional presentations in minutes. Beautiful.ai has hundreds of templates and smart slides that are built with AI-assisted design. So you can present ideas meaningfully and easily without putting other work you have to do on hold. You can ask for diagrams or depictions, representations, and you ask for them in plain English. It'll whip them up for you. For example, you can say something like, create a pie chart showing the breakdown of my competitor market share for this industry. Or maybe you could say, create a table listing the pros and cons of a specific approach to a technology project. It creates gorgeous looking and on-brand slides in the blink of an eye. So you can look like a real rock star at work, and I highly recommend giving this one a go. It's also a few dollars a month, but there is a free trial, so you can test it out for yourself. In conclusion, while AI may seem like an intimidating or futuristic technology, there are some straightforward ways to harness its power for your needs. So you focus on specific problems, utilize easy-to-use tools, and understand the limitations early. With a little creativity, you can apply AI to tasks that will save you time and scale your impact. If you have any questions about getting started with AI, just let me know in the comments. You can go ahead and like and subscribe or ring the little bell. What do they say on the YouTubes now? Go ahead and smash the like button. And if you subscribe and ring that little bell, then it will notify you when new content comes out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.